of visual. So let's talk about the physics.
One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So
disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, the collision of anime, organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have
conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself,